back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is the first time on my channel. You are highly welcome. Welcome back to another shopping haul. Okay, so welcome back to the channel, all my amazing new subscriber, all my amazing returning subscriber. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you all for clicking to watch this video. Okay, I appreciate it so much. God bless you all. So today we have an Iceland haul, guys. Okay, so let's just dive right in, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. All right, guys, so this is everything in the haul that's on my table. Okay, so I just want to show you guys first, and I'll tell you guys how much everything costs. So this is a Iceland haul with prices, include prices. Okay, guys, so I went to Iceland, so you guys can see. Okay, I spent £85 5p. Okay, you might not see it, it's somewhere there. Okay, so everything initially was £95 58p, something like that. There was some item that is buy 3 for £10 and all that. So after they took all those discounts out, it came to £85 5p. Okay, yeah, so that's everything, and I'm going to tell you guys the price starting from the top of the receipts. Okay, guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing I have on top of the receipt, I'm not sure you guys can really see it unless it's focusing. Is it focusing? No it's not focusing. Okay, there it is. So there's the first two things there, which is the milk. Okay, guys, so I have the semi-skimmed milk. The 4-pint one is £1.45. The big one, which is 6 pints, is £2.50. Okay, so this is 4 pints. I hope I'm getting it right. I think it is anyway, because that's what I've always called it. Okay, and then this is the 6th one. This is 6, and I'm sure I'm correct. Okay, yeah, so those are the milk. And then we have this extra tube 60. It's the mint. Okay, it's the mint extra £2.75. I got just one. There it is. There is chewing gum, mint extra, just one, £2.75. And then we got the Macken chips. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name of these chips right, but anyway, I got 3 for £10. So Iceland is still doing 3 for £10. So you guys can see there's 3 there. This is the big ones, 2.25 kilo. Okay, so I got 3 of them here. I lay it out so it can be easy for you guys to see. And then we have some slushy poppy. Okay, so I got 3 slushy there because this is the only 3 that was left there, and I just picked the 3. Okay, one is £1.50 for the slushy. The 3 is £4.50. Okay, because one is £1.50, so that would be £3 plus 50p, £4, that's £4.50. Yeah, guys, so the 3 of them is £4.50. Okay, and then we have hot dog rolls, which is over here. So the hot dog roll, I only got one because we got some in the freezer. It's £2. There's 12 in there, so you guys can see there's 12. So I bought just one because we got some in the freezer already. And then we have the burger buns as well. It's the same price, £2. Okay, so I got some as well in the freezer. So I bought just one, and it's also £2 as well for the burger buns. Okay, guys, and then we have chicken nuggets. Okay, chicken nugget is on this side. So got the chicken nugget that is 115. Okay, so that's the chicken nugget here. I bought just 1 pack. Okay, 1 pack is £6. Okay, for 1 pack. And then I got chicken dipper because the chicken nugget was finished. This was the only one left in the freezer in Iceland, so I picked just that one. And then I picked a chicken dipper. It's 90 inside. Okay, £6 as well. I picked just one for £6. And then we have the pork sausage. I picked only one of these pork sausage. This one is 20 inside. There's 20 inside of this one. So the pork sausage is £3.50. I picked only one. Okay, we don't have any more sausage, but I just picked one because there's 20 inside. So hopefully it stays for a bit. I don't know. Let's see how the kids eat it. Because they normally used to do like a hot dog. That's what they normally do with it. So I picked just one pack, which is £3.50. And then I also picked chicken wings, hot and spicy chicken wings. So the chicken wings, they are still doing 3 for £10, which is over here. So you guys can see that I picked 3 of them. That's 1, 2, 3. So you can see there's 3 of them. So it's 3 for £10, okay? If you are buying just one, let me see, here's the price. If you are buying just one, it's £3.75, okay? But 3 is £10. 3 is £10, okay, guys? So, and then we got some lettuce for sandwich, okay? Lettuce is 85p for one. I got 2, which is £1.70. Yeah, I got 2 of them, lettuce. And then we got some mild white sliced cheese, cheddar. The cheese, they are no longer doing 3 for £10. They were doing 3 for £10 before, but they've stopped it now. It's now back to £3.60 for one. So I got 2 of them. Okay, it's £3.60 for one. So 2 is £7.20 for 2 of the sliced cheddar cheese. Okay, and then we have some cooked ham, which they are still doing the offer. Last time I cheated myself. I picked 2 instead of 3. So they are still doing the ham. You guys can see it's 3 for £5. I got 3 of them there. So you can see I got 3 of them there for £5. And then we got some steak bake. So the steak bake on this side, the steak bake is 4 for £10. So you can mix and match the steak bake. So we have steak bake, even though it's upside down. We have steak bake, and then we got the chicken bake. So this 4 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 like this is £10. Okay, it's £10. And then we have the golden glow bath soak, which is on this side, body and soul. Okay, they are £1.25. I bought 2 of that one. Okay, as you can see, I got 2. And then the soothing bath, which is the blue one, I got just 1 of it. Okay, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, guys. Please, let's get to 6K subscribers. Thank you. And then we got this chocolate, well, cookie rather, not chocolate, it's cookie. I got the cookie. There's 18 cookie in there. It's £5. Okay, guys, and I got just 1 of that. And then I got the sugar. The sugar is 1 kilo each. So 2 sugar is £2. It's £1 each. But if you are buying just 1, it's £1.19p. If you buy 2, it's £1. That's £2. So I got 2 of the sugar. Okay, guys, I think that's all I have in this haul. So you guys can see, not a lot of all. Anyway, everything cost me £85.5p. That's how much I spent in this haul. Okay, guys, so this is everything. I'll show you guys again. Okay, hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comments, nice comments, please. Consider subscribing if you enjoy watching shopping haul. If you haven't subscribed already, it's free to subscribe, it's free to like, guys. So please like it so that YouTube can recommend it. Okay, a like helps the video to go far. Okay, guys, please consider liking, please, guys, and share the video. Okay, so in case you want to go to Iceland and buy something like this for yourself, you know how much I spent. Okay, I normally go to the very big Iceland anyway. So the warehouse, that is the one I always go to. Alright, guys, so thank you all so very much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you all so much, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.